What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel for today's video. My barber fucked me up. Right now, me and baby girl is on the way to the homie Shaffer's place because, as you can read the title of the video, we are picking up a BBK. When Shorty picked me up, she picked up a BBC. I'm finna go pick up a BBK. And then, when I picked up Shorty, I picked up a BBW.
What's a BBW? It's a beautiful day.
It is a...
Yeah, it's a beautiful day where you left me home.
That's right, fellas. Leave your chick home all 2022, you hear? But like I was saying, everybody, we are going to, on the way to Shaffer's so I can pick up the BBK. Can't wait to show y'all this thing, you know what I mean? He actually won this from DC5 Creations, and then I was like, yo, bro, you know what I mean? If you know, if you win, holla at your boy, okay? I'ma cash you out, shorty. And that's what's going on. So we're on our way to his place right now, and yeah, when we get there, I'll show you guys everything that I need to show y'all, and hopefully, you know, generate some views on the tubes of you, and get paid.
Mama Jugs.
Sounds about right. Sun in South Florida, where all the rain don't fall. Then you look at me like I don't know what I'm doing. Don't be kissing these niggas.
Oh, I'm pulling up on you, man.
I want a 2-car garage just so I can do shit like this and make my girl mad. Dun, dun, dun. Bad boy shape, dog. 8th gen living. The building and works. If y'all need retrofits, you know what I mean? Link on the screen. Well, name on the screen where you can DM. If he's still taking orders and stuff. Black housing custom with the retrofit. That's pretty cool. We came, we saw, and we conquered. Check me out, yeah, buddy. This is what's gonna be on Akira, the 8th gen. These big daddies. Comes with everything. Literally everything. So these are from DC5 Creations. Yeah. Rotors in here. Calipers here. They come with pads too or no pads? Oh, they come with pads too? Oh damn.
Spacers and...
So it comes with everything.
Spacers in here.
Oh shoot. And DC5 Creations kit, the homie Davey, his kit is full, like it's already notched ready, so you don't have to drill spindles and all, like you gotta do none of that stuff. It's a complete direct bolt-on. So that's what's up. That's what's up. Just now leaving Shaf's. Yeah, picked up a big brake kit for the car. He won it through a DB raffle, and he decided to pay it forward and give me a good deal on it. So huge thank you to Shaffer for looking out for the content of this channel. We got a video to post today. I'm gonna show you guys the brakes, what all it comes with. If you order the kit through DC5 Creations, or if you want to piece together your own kit. This is not a sponsor ad, but Davy's DC5 Creations kit, it's already drilled or something, like it's completely bolt-on, so you don't have to drill anything, you don't have to go buy anything. It comes with everything. The price, I think, like $1,000 or something like that if you want to buy the complete with rotors, brakes, and all that, which is, I guess, isn't too bad. But if you can source out your own stuff, then do that as well. I would probably source out my own kit because, like, I don't see myself spending $1,000 on a brake kit that's not a Stop Tech or something like that. But Brembo is really good. Everyone runs Brembos. Brembo makes spoons. Brembo makes this. Brembo makes that. Yada 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 yada. So that's what's going on. But right now we're on the way to Randolph's house because we're hungry. So we're gonna get some groceries over there, and then tomorrow, which is Saturday, we're going to be doing the clutch job on the Civic. Yeah, I'm tripping. On Akira, so we're gonna put in the action clutch, stage 3 clutch with the lightweight flywheel. So we're gonna be good to go, pimp. We're gonna be good to go. Pulled up at Randy's. Y'all can't see you or anything, but hey, man, pop that trunk, show these 40 what's going on. Yeah, check me out, woo.
Ooh, that bitch is wet.
Yeah.
Damn, he be doing his thing, man. I'm about to get this nigga do my shit.
That shit fresh, bruh.
Damn, that
Come with brake. His kit fresh because it comes with everything.
Yeah,
brake
it comes with
pads,
everything. Comes with everything.
Rotors. Only thing it doesn't come with is lines, but it comes with like the spacer kit. It's already
These are TL Brembos, right?
Yeah, those are TL Brembos. Yeah.
Oh, that's dope.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
It's fucking dope.
Oh, that's fresh.
DB, you guys can't see, dog.
But yeah, there you are. You can see his DC5 Creations thing in there.
Nigga doing
That's dope. I didn't even know that. So now you know what he got. Damn.
That's fucking dope.
That boy doing his thing for real.
Clean. I'm about to send my shit. My shit clogged.
Facts.
I always have powder coat and jet. Let me not say that. Don't put that in the video.
Nah, that shit came out with new garbage, bro. Yeah, it's not bad. Got everything. Got the spacer. Got.
I like the colors gonna pop with the
hybrid
logo. That shit gonna go good.
This is the spacer for the rotors. Cause the rotors for H-Gen, I have to run the rotor for the the spacer.
Push the rotor out a little.
Yeah, push rotor. Yeah, and that's what this is. So I got 2 rotors in here. These are drilled and slotted, but I'm fighting up off of these and going with some
knife. I mean, a keychain. Key.
Nah, I ain't got nothing on me right now. Yeah, little unboxing, you in. Little step. I'm gonna off these Johns. Give me some slotted. I mean some solids. I don't want drill and slotted rotor. Them shits are way too prone to cracking. Don't want that, brother. I'm off of these. That's nice.
Let me get him.
Give me some solids.
What the fuck I look like?
Damn. Mean, bitch.
That bitch is fresh.
Yeah,
I don't know. I think that
yeah,
green.
that green is nice. It's
neon green.
Yeah, it's super close. It's called Sherbert green. It's super close to the hybrid green, which is nice.
Yeah, that green's fresh.
Yeah, that's gonna look real sick on the car. That's cool. Hey, that boy laser engraved because he drilled these out already, so they can be they are direct bolt-on.
Remember, yeah, before he used to sell a bracket with them.
Yeah, now it's direct bolt-on.
Oh, that's fucking fresh. Deep.
That's why I did that. Yeah, he doing his thing, man. I gotta buy a TLS master so I can have my shit nice. So we're back home. Bro, look at this Sherbert green, bruh. Take some nice shots for Instagram tomorrow to post, but bruh, look at that. That stuff he's right here is actually anti-seize, so don't worry about that. Watch out, Tigger. He got cats up in his john. Watch out, Tigger Wigger. My little, you can't say that. And here's the rotors that I'm not going to be using because I'm not a fan of drilled and slotted. I remember back in the day, I always said I wanted to drill and slotted rotors because I was just a fanboy, didn't know anything. But I prefer either just slotted or solids. But this is the entire kit that we got today. I am excited to put these on, baby. So yeah, finally we have a BBK for the car. Now I stop roasting my crusty and rusty ass rotors and calipers and all that stuff. I got some hot fire. You feel me? Some hot fire. Remember that vision board I told you guys about? Make sure y'all write on y'all vision boards, alright? Alright? Yeah, this is what I'm going for. This is what I'm going for. Yeah. Yeah, easily. Easily, baby. Easily, baby. Yes. Yes. It is time for Gran Turismo. Woo! Gaming channel, link down below. Go subscribe. I'm going to have like some not walkthrough stuff, but just me BSing while playing some Gran Turismo for y'all in case you guys want to watch and stuff. So go to the gaming channel if you don't know it. Oh, my shit messy. So go over to the gaming channel and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, man, that'll be most dope. Yeah, you see that, bruh. You see that, bruh. I'm ready, son. Your boy is ready, son. I'm ready, son. Your boy is ready, son. Yeah, the stream. Well, not stream, but I might stream. Not really, because I don't think my computer. Okay, it's already at like 20% of usage. I think you can see that, but it's at 20% of usage. But I'm gonna have some gameplay on the Zosh channel, so go check that out. Some Gran Turismo. I ain't even boot the damn game up yet. So. But yes, dog, I'm so excited for this. Oh, I didn't even talk about the goddamn new merch. Bro, hoodies are out. I dropped hoodies. Embroidered, nice hoodies. Look on your screen. You see that? That is hot fire. That is fire. That is hot. And it's fire. It's cold fire. Cause it's hot fire. When have anyone ever known fire to be cold? Like, that's just stupid. Please go over there, check out the merch, bro. Pick up a hoodie, help support the channel, man. Like, please. If you don't, you will bitch. Yeah, I should say that. I'm gonna say that, yeah. Bro, that's honestly pretty much it for this video. We got a big brake kit on the car. I didn't install it because I just want to get the video out. It's been a couple days, but hopefully tomorrow I have another video going, and then I have another video of me putting the brakes and stuff on. Like, oh, never mind, I can't. I gotta order stainless steel brake lines and a TL Type S Master. So I'm gonna do all that tonight, and then once I come in, we can do the big brake kit install. But long as you know we got a big brake kit, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel. I upload every day, even in your dreams I'm uploading, you mean? Thank you guys for watching. Head over to the gaming channel and the channel that me and my girl created just to show y'all how we eating food and being fast and stuff. So go over, check out that channel. Links down in the description box close to those channels, and I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.